show up pretty good.
I don't know. There he is. Look at that.
Can you see it? Oh, yeah.
Here, get the net. There we go. So that's part one. Now we'll show you what our fishermen do out here. We don't want to leave that hook. We can help it.
Snoop. Can you get it?
Better if I had the pliers. You know what? I'm going to undo the swivel clip. So
It's right there, isn't it?
Yeah, but it's right so deep into the meat.
All I can see is my reflection now.
Okay.
Let me find it. Can't see you. In your hands. I don't know if I got them. All I see is my reflection of my picture in it, eh? So it'll be interesting.